Let's see what we got. Back again. AIFF. That's decent news. I wonder if this is going to be strong enough to break through that red gap right now. Let's see what actually develops. Also VCIG, very strong pre-market. Maybe it could keep going. Here we have AIFF right here on that red gap. The red gap breaks on 132. So here we go. Breaking through that gap. Nice, it broke that gap. So now what are we gonna see? Dip 24, dip 26. I need to take one share actually. Get that first trade out with. Okay, good. First trade is always pretty slow, so I gotta get that one out. 26, 25, 24 is that low. Yeah, let's do it. Alright, seeing at 28. Not happy at 28, 29 basically, so I got out of there. I'll try it again. Thought I got it a little sooner. Oh, actually 28. I thought I was in at 29. Oh, okay, never mind. I misread that. Misread that. Should still be holding though. 27, 26, 25, 25 one more time. 5 minute looks okay. Yeah, it's like a hold. Quick gap reclaim. Now it's a little gap. 116, 112 is hold down. The reclaim over 25. Nice. So that was a gap reclaim. Let's see what we can do here. Anything else? ASNS. I also have this as a backup. ASNS. ASNS. Potential backup. Because it would look good above 65. Give a nice move. So ASNS. Let's see, let's focus here on this. We'll see. See how all that this develops. Staying patient. You can get another dip down here at 17. Low of 16. Hold down is 12. So maybe there could be a trade down there. I'll use smaller size on that. Just because I might get caught in a hold down. So 17. $17, 17, 16, 15. Back over 15, 16. Yeah, I'll take 16. Let's do it. Pop, pop, pop. One more time in this area. Nice. Small size. Small size because it could be risky. Needs to go now. Needs to go now. No. Oh, it does go now. Okay. Kind of choppy. Okay. Interesting. That moment where it hesitated is where I got out. Anyway. All right. I guess we gotta commit to it. Gotta commit to it. ASNS. So we got a huge potential 5-minute here if it decides to hold this level. Actually, let me not just draw that just yet. So we'll see what it wants to form. Oh man, this is done. BBBB. Alright, we'll pause it, we'll see what we find. It looks like we have a lot of things moving and some things are just not holding up. Some are holding up, some are not. I don't know if I want to trade this penny stock. It needs to prove itself. So I'm gonna actually trade. You know what? That one's until red cap. No, I'll stick with this one. Here we go. 51. Okay, this one keeps going. Not finding an entry in anywhere here. That fits my strategy. It's just, honestly, just grinding up, and it's just so difficult to get an entry there. What do I do here? I mean, the best I could do is, at this point, wait for a dip into this area. I have a lot of room, so I'll be patient. Hopefully this thing holds right here. Hold 55. Yep, hold 55.10. Maybe we get a dip here into 53, 52. See how well it responds to dips. Looks like it's holding again. Pushing to 56. Gap and go up 56. It's just, you kind of just have to jump on the green volume here. I guess you kind of have to jump here, 60. Well, this is 58. It's got a bit of a range on this one. It's over 3K, I guess. What? So much room for a dip. So he wants to keep going. It'd be interesting to know how these dips are going to hold. Might be looking for a dip in the low 50s, honestly. This is too much of a high dip. It might hold though. Will it hold right here? High, if it's strong, it'll hold. It's one of those things where don't I for it doesn't seem like it flushes. So if it doesn't flush, then it might actually hold. Yeah, it looks like it held right there, 57. We'll see. We'll see, we'll see. We're staying patient here. We're waiting for a good setup. So it's tough for me to trade this. If I'm not hyper scalping, I don't know how to trade this. If I was hyper scalping, definitely would have attempted a few, like 3, 4, 5 times in this area already. Right here, then we get a nice breakout here. It's over 61. Maybe we get a nice move here for a bigger continuation over 61. I mean, if it likes to hold it for a minute, can you hold a second? It's like, what is this nonsense? We should hold like a few seconds more. Bib. 55 is gonna hold. 54. Lower that is 51. 53. 54. 54. Let's do it. 54. 55. 5. No, I'm out. Nope. Stop is break even, so got out there, break even. It actually kept going. All right, looks like it can. We can size up on this. Let's see. That held very nicely. Should have. I think my stop should have been not break even, but 54. Break of 55, 65. Let's see. Looking pretty strong. We reached our first target, which is 65. What's the plan here? You're gonna keep going through 70. Dang. Wow. First pullback held. Fantastic move. This is gonna keep going, bro. Let's see. 71. No, I think it's already pretty extended here. I wonder what it's gonna do. I mean, we form a lot of gaps, but none of them were tested. Yeah, is this pullback gonna hold? Wonder if it's gonna hold here. 64, 63. Ah, I mean, just the drop is going to be so nasty. If I lose like 5 cents on that, drop like this. 62. That was good, but man, can't be afraid. You know, the worst thing you can do is lose money. And that should be all right. We're here to make money and lose money. Ideally, we make more than we lose. So let's see. Are you going to fold this? 62. 62, lots of sellers. 62. 61 is below that gap. Yeah, let's do it. Nah. Nope. Taking smaller size, but you see, it's a tricky one. A tricky one because it ended up holding. Okay, so if you're gonna end up holding, so what's the deal here? Are you taking you again? Yeah, let's do it. 63.5, 64. Break 64. Alright, 64, 65, 66. I'll take 1K out, 65. Take the rest flat. Okay. Shaking the nerves out with 2K. Let's do it. 65. It's been too long there. Too contested at 65. So I'm gonna have to go get it out. All right, let's test size up here. 5K. Let's do it. Shaking some nerves out. It's got a lot of nice volume. So here we go. We want this thing hold 66. Hold 66, hold 66. Dip, 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 dip. If you dip, that would be amazing. If you dip, that would be amazing. Oh, that was 67. Kind of a late dip. No, I wanted to dip as soon as that I can open and then go for it. So rejecting there. Being a little patient. I want to see an exact pattern. Maybe I'm being too picky. I want to see a powerful pattern that I know it's going to work. So like that there, it held. I mean, this is a super high gap, so I'm being careful here, man. I could just get a flush down to 56. Many other gaps down here. So let's see what the deal is going to be here. So this is rejected. Might get another test at the gap here. Yeah, we got to be patient, see what happens. JCXN. Okay, this is maybe better. All right, I cannot back down from big size. I got to do it. So what's this? Volume's a little lower. We could get a nice move here, 40. 43. JCXN, what's the daily looking like? Not bad, not bad. JCXN. What do we got now? This is 1 billion and a plan to acquire Bitcoin, judge investor. Okay. So decent news, I guess. Okay, looks like you want to go. If you're gonna go, I'm ready. 68, hold 68. Hold 68. Yeah, let's do it. Do it, 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 do it. Nope. And it there, 68. Looking for that volume to come. Ah, man. The slow tape and the slow level 2 is kind of like, it's kind of like a sign of just a flush. So I don't want to take that. But is it gonna work? Yeah, it's gonna work, right? That's crazy. Okay. So it might not actually work, it seems like. But it's holding pretty strong 68. No, it's right. GCXN. We have room, so it's not over trade. Target on this is 96, so we could still get a good move on this. 30 more cents, so we gotta be patient. We gotta be patient. It's not over yet. It's just getting started, brother. We are just getting started. All right, is it gonna do it? Nah, let me give it more time. Looking for that over 70 probably is the spot. You know, over 70 was the high to 72. Yeah, over 70 is the spot. So we'll see. Hopefully it doesn't fake out. GCXN here, low volume, but this could present itself to be an interesting dip. 25, taking 1K here. 25 was a good spot. 28 now. Oh wow, I never see this. Did it actually do that? Oh, that's crazy. Okay. Maybe another dip of 63. If not, we're going to be looking for something lower. Coming in hot. 63, 63, 62. If you're going to come down, ideally this can come down with big gaps, big red gaps. 62, 61, 61, 60, ooh. 61, 60, yeah, it's breaking down. So what is this gap? This gap is going to be 57 by 51. Hold on is 52. Hold down is 51 now. Gap reclaim over 60 basically. Gap reclaim over 60. Oof. Interesting dip all the way to 59. We gotta see this gap reclaim over 60. There was a gap right there, so that means there were buyers right over 60. I wonder if these buyers are gonna still be in here. Bearish though. Let's go back to this one, I guess. What do we got here? 122 to 13. We're gonna get 122 to 13. Do we get a dip here? Do we get a dip on this? 22 to 13. That would be really nice if we get a dip here. 22 to 13. Waiting patiently for my setup. 22 to 13. How long are you gonna hold? Under 20. Dip under 20, 19, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18. 18. Yeah, let's do it. Ooh, 21, 22. No. Okay. Okay, hold up a second. I actually miscalculated. I had a trade. Problem. I got 50 shares out of 22. I'm thinking I got everything out of 22. I got a little nervous there with 3K size. Okay. Whew. Still shaking off those nerves. Very good trade right here. Getting out too soon. I know I can hold it. All right. Dang it. I gotta. Bro. Oof. That's unbelievable, right? Dude. I can't be nervous. I just can't simply be nervous. I just got to do it. I got to commit to my strategy, and you get rewarded this way. And you get rewarded with a massive trade. I'm in at 22. I mean, that's like over 15 cents. Dang it. You get rewarded. I know you will get rewarded. All right. Excellent trade right there. Potential trade. So let's see if we can get a nice move on this. It ain't over yet. Let's see if we can get a dip. See if we can get some momentum through this area. 34, 33, 32. Yeah, let's do it. The 33. Push, 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 push. Keeping it tight, keeping it tight. Keeping it tight at 33, not risking much. 36. Give me another squeeze, bro. Give me another squeeze. I know I missed the first one. Ah, missed that one. Okay. Maybe a little lower, 27. 26. Yeah, 26 is good. Oh my gosh. Ah, dang it, brother. Did not hold 26 at all. Now I'm right on the day, am I? Down $100. Oh, dude. All right. Dude. Okay. That dip was much better right there at 17. I'm out right there at 19, actually. Okay, we're down $100. We missed a beautiful trade. We try to compensate by taking 2 trades here. Didn't go planned. Didn't go as planned. Let's see. Let's see what the stock wants to do. It's a flush. It likes to flush. Okay, now we understand that the stock likes to flush. It likes to squeeze. So maybe we can capitalize from that. Hey. Oh, yikes. Yikes. All right, we'll stay patient. All right, we could get a nice move right here over 26 in this next candle. 15 minutes. This could actually be a great move. Let's see if we can get a nice move over 26 here. Still hold 26. Hold 26. 25. No. I'm gonna push that. Needed to hold 26 there. Dang. Hmm. 22. 19. Seems to be holding that. Back into this gap. Could be a good play right here. 22, 21, 20, 20, 19. I should have taken that. Back to 20. Sizing up struggles, huh? Sizing up struggles. Head and shoulders here. We might get a dip here. The low of this is VWAP, which is going to be 14. Maybe I can get it a little lower. We'll see. With a stop at 14 area. 18. 17. I'll take that. Ooh, 16. Okay, flat. If anything, I'll get out flat. Whatever. Come on, work. Don't do me like this. Don't do me like this. Don't do me like this. Work. Bounce. Bounce. Don't do me like this. Bounce. Give me a nice bounce. Come on. Come on, I'm gonna hold. I need these reps in which I'm holding big size. There you go. 20. 20. Take one out here at 1920. I need some of these reps, bro. I need some of these reps. I need these reps. Okay. 1K now. What's he gonna do? Next minute? Nice. I'm gonna get it out here. Okay. We got some of this back. We're gonna wait for some momentum here. Nice bounce right there to 22. Maybe this next 5 minutes gonna be great. Watching. Watching. That was slow, but it worked. So over 20. So here we go. Next 5 minute coming in few seconds. Wow. This next 5 minute needs to hold 20. Oh. 22. Looking for the next green 5 minute. ASNS. Didn't really make it to this 5 minute here, but it's holding. Needs to hold 65 here. Needs to hold 65. Dip a little bit. Yes, do it. 66.8, 67, 67, come on, blow. I'll go squeeze now. Nah. It's not gonna do it, is it? Oh, dang it, it keeps chopping me out. This one keeps chopping me out. Ah, dang. Okay, I gotta give it a longer leash. Gotta give this a longer leash. Okay, fine. A bit of a longer leash when it's looking good. If I can get a dip here, 65, this could be great. ASNS. 67 seems to be holding. 57 seems to continue to hold. $66, $65. Come on, give me a dip of $65. That'll probably be pretty good. Ooh, $66.2. No, wanted to test 65 again. Pull up, 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 pull up. Pull up nicely. Okay. Good. 67. If it comes back to my, if I see 65 again, I'm probably going to take it out, but this is good. This is good. This is good. Fantastic dip. Come on. Rip. 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 Nothing to lose, everything to gain here. Rip. Hold and rip. Hold and rip. 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 I got a perfect entry here on that dip. Holding. Holding. That's all right. That's all right. That's all right. It's all right. It's all right. It's all right. Oh my gosh. It came down to 65 pretty quickly there. Dang it. All right. We're down 90 bucks, I guess. Dang it. That was good. That was good. Back over 65 gap reclaim. Will it actually work? Back over 65. This one too. Back over 65. ASNS. PRWG. Back over 65. Let me see if you want to hold test 65. If it holds, I'm going to take it. Test in 65. Test in 65. Test in 65. Hold 65. Hold 65. Yeah, let's do it. Green there. All right, break of 65. Oof, okay. Worth the shot there, 65. Okay. 120. This thing ended up holding the low. That was 64. So the strategy did kind of worked. 66 now. Down 100 bucks. Okay. All right, cool. For 66.7 then. We played this little gap and it is sort of there. 122. We'll see. It's 10:20. 10, almost 10:30. Gotta stay patient. Stay patient. Stay patient. This is dipping. Sadly, it didn't work. 10:20. Yeah, here we go. We got a whole 65 here. I know we can do it. 15 seconds. Coming in with a lot of strength here. We're gonna have to give it a little more room than we actually want. So, well, we also got to keep it tight. So our stop is going to be around 65. Just a tiny bit more room. Just a tiny bit more room. Dang it. Okay, I thought I got in pretty high and I was going to get ripped apart. So in and out right there. 67, 8. Ah, pretty high. Got a pretty high fill there. Now it's 69. I wish I was in at 66. That was pretty good. So let's see if we can get a dip on this next candle. If not, it's going to be a breakout. So dip at 65. If not, it's going to have to be a 68 needs to hold here. This will need to hold 68. Gotta stay calm. Gotta stay collected. Number 66. I would love to see this dip. That would be a beautiful dip. 67. Under 67, I guess. Oh, that would be a gorgeous dip, man. I know I can do it. Looking for that dip. Looking for that dip. 66 could also hold. Under 67. Pretty tight. Pretty tight. Oh, here we go. 66. I'll take that. 66, 7. Ooh, 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 ooh. We might be eating a big one here. Let's see. At least a whole 65. Eesh. Not having fun with that. And a little too early on this drop. Mistimed it. Mistimed it. Let's see if we can get a nice little dip lower. Yeah, let's do it right here. Oh my goodness. Dang it. Ah, what a day, man. What a day. Down to 228. Ah, okay. Ah, okay. Got caught right there. 22. Pretty much I got one more trade in me. 119 here. It could still work later on, but we'll see. Maybe I tried it too much. Here we go. We're going to take this little dip here, 22 to 19. See it? This could squeeze here. This could squeeze. ASNS. AIFF. MLBX. Hmm. 65 looked good. Right? It was holding well, but I think I did not wait long enough. Okay, 124 here. Looking for 120, 121 on this to test 120, see how 120 is gonna hold. And I think it'll hold very well. I think it's time for a nice little push. Come on. This thing has squeeze vibes, so if you're gonna squeeze, I want to be part of that squeeze. I know I can do it. So I got one more trade here, basically keeping my losses tight. So I'm hoping this is gonna work. Pretty sure it will work. Just give me a dip. Otherwise, we're gonna have to take a gap and go through this level to see how that's gonna work. Yeah, look at that. This thing is still gonna work today. Ooh, all right. Nice push. Hmm. Waiting, staying patient. Of course, this is going to do it now. So, all right. Sadly, we're taking kind of silly losses here. Down $200. We got to take a strong setup. We got to take it strong setup. 19. Bounce. I'm in at 19. I'm looking for a bounce here. Am I going to get it here? If it goes to 17, I'm probably going to take it out. But I like the fact that 18 was holding. Yeah. Okay. Okay, that's going to be the day. Down 350. Giving back what I made Monday. No. Okay, I'm done. With a whole 50. Huge psychological level at 50. We'll still low that 51. $52. Let's see this next candle. Another dip. Sitting pretty red on the day. Low of the gap is 51. That seems to have worked. In there 52. We'll see. We'll be patient here. Let's see how well it behaves around this gap. It's a big gap. All right, giving it one more try here. 13 could be a good spot. If it decides to bounce, yep. 13 was a good spot. We'll see. We'll see. It's right at VWAP. It could give a good move. 11, it's a little lower as well. Yeah, we'll see. I'm pretty red. I am down 250. No, sorry, 350. Yeah, basically. Yeah, 174 here, 178 here. Down 350. It's okay. I think it'll be all right. I just have to tweak a few things that are coming back. A few habits are coming back now that I'm sizing up that I didn't have before, that I wasn't having in a long time, but these like bad habits are coming back again because of the bigger size. And you know, when you're trading at a really when you're trading with like a in a different mental mindset, you know, decision making gets affected and emotions get in the way. Anyway, here down there 13 look good. Now 17, not bad. Let's see. So we'll see how well this bounces. Let's see how well this behaves. And we'll stay watching. It's for a move in the next few minutes. You know, we'll see. Looks like we're getting buyers here at 12. We're gonna hold 12. Nice balance of the lows of the gap. I think I could have taken it right here at 52. Yeah, when I'm red, I'm like, this would have been a great setup here. Wish it wasn't that red. You get compromised. You get compromised on the day being red. So can't do it. Can't be doing that. So let's see. This is looking good. Hopefully we're able to hold. We're able to dip into a gap and then get a nice move where I feel confident in. We'll see. This be good. 55 here, 54. I would keep it really tight. Yeah, that looked pretty good there. That dip in there. Tiny little dip in there, 55. This looks like it's gonna pop. Decreasing volume here. Looks like we're gonna get a nice pop here. Nice. Yeah. So two trades, one here, another one here. Okay. Being a little too cautious, trying to find a perfect trade. You know. Okay, one more dip. Let's see. This dip is gonna hold. Right under VWAP. A new stock here, DXST. Can you hold 28? Able to hold 28? Able to hold 28? Yeah, let's do it. Nope. You see 5 right there. Tiny little loss there. All right. Looking for that break of 30. Better trade down here on the gap. I wanted to see if we can push 28. Oh well. Keeping it tight. Keeping it tight. Back over 28. Looks like it's gonna go. Looking for this move. Yeah, don't have a really strong setup. Best trade was basically around here, 24 on this gap. Worked well off the gap. Worked well off this gap too. Huh. Maybe he's gonna work well off this 5-minute gap here at 26.50. $26.59. This one's slowly but getting out of that gap. Looked to me like a weak gap. I could get this a little lower, 26 for a 5-minute gap and go here. Just a little lower. We got momentum on this. Hopefully we get the break of 30. 27, 26. It's a big seller at 27. Some buyers though at 26, not bad. 26, that gap, yeah, 5-minute gap closed. We could reclaim this 5-minute gap. No, 5-minute gap looks like it closed. Well, we're staying patient. We want to look for something strong, something we can have good risks to reward. All right, looks like we're gonna get this move right here, 27. This has a lot of great volume here. 27. Dip, dip, dip. We'll get a little dip here. 29. It went immediately on that new candle open. We're gonna get that break of 30. Let's see if we can get a nice little dip here. 27, 28, 27. Yeah, let's do it. 28, 2. 28, 2. Stop is like 28. Looking for this next candle to open. And we gotta get a nice move here. Break of 30. Come on, give me some love tonight. Give me some love. Come on, let me get that break of 30. 28 is holding. Don't break 28. Next candle. It's crucial. No. Big seller right there. Dang, down 20 bucks on this. Oh, that sucks. I'm looking for the break of 30. So the gap reclaim worked better here. My gap and goes haven't been working at all today. Man. Dang it. Keeping it tight though, you know. Keeping it tight. Sheesh. Rejection right there at 29, coming down. We'll see what it wants to do, but keeping it tight. So we have a volume shift on this. Nice green volume is increasing. We got a red gap right here. That might be an obstacle. But we have potential for a move here. Hopefully we get a dip here, 14. Nice jump here. Nice liquidity grab right under here. Good. Right, there's some gaps here. Grab some liquidity. That's very nice. Volume is low, but if we can get a dip, it might be able to keep going. We'll keep an eye on it. DXST. Tried it 2 times. Didn't work. Gap and goes. They're not working well on this. So now we're gonna have to. Yeah, I guess we're gonna have to wait, see what's going on with this. All right, looks like we got a move here. So I was watching these 2 gaps, nothing. I was not able to get in them. So maybe we get a move here in this next candle. 30 seconds here. Maybe we get a nice little dip into this gap. for a solid move. I would love to see a nice move, but volume came in here. Let's see. 1230 move. Dip 23. This is 18. Dip at 820, 18. Thinking smaller size now, 2K. Because we are pretty red, so reducing risk. So this thing could make a massive move, and I'm waiting for it. I am waiting for it. Here we go, staying patient here. I want to get in on a dip, of course. I mean, we got target of 40. We'll see. Dip to 18. I know we can get it. Volume right there at 22. Okay, good. It seems to be holding 21. So algos are right here at 21, right above 20. All right, we have to stay patient, see what move we can get. Okay, looks like we touched 19. I did not see that. I was watching something else. Dang, that was nice. Low green volume though. All right, 22. Wow, dude, I missed that. I missed that. 19 was good. Wow. Like that's what you want to see, right? And then what? Dang it. Oh, I do want to see this keep going though. Okay, 32 is this low. We have volume, we have some range. Now we're gonna need a trade here. We're gonna need a dip. You've dipped in the past. In the past, you've dipped. You've gave some red candles, you dipped, and you made a bigger move. So we're gonna need that. We're gonna need something similar here. Dang. Yeah, I mean at this point, it's going to be pretty tough. If you're not part of the early move, this is gonna be pretty tight. You know, it's gonna be pretty tight this one. So here we go, 40. That's the whole 40 or 39, 38, 39, 38, 37, yep, 35, all the way to 32. Hold down is 21, so hold down still pretty far away. I would like to see high of this was 46. A dip here, I mean, that would be a little too aggressive maybe, but if it's gonna flush, I might get a flush here because it likes to flush. Back over 40, so this is good. Dang. AIFF. 44. We might get another squeeze here for short sellers. We might be stuck in this. So 44 is that. So maybe we get a nice little dip here. But if we don't get a flush, we're gonna get a break of 50 here. No. Yep. I'm a little aggressive here. I'm in at 43. Yeah. I don't like this feeling here. I don't like this feeling. Okay, I'm done. I'm done. All right, I'm done for the day. I can't trade. I'm like mentally, I'm done. We're gonna call it here. Down 500 bucks. Sadly, we went off the rails on AIFF. We missed some trades and we took very questionable trades here, losing 5 cents, just losing 4 cents, too much. Um, anyway, this is kind of the stats for today. $15 in commissions. Biggest loser 228. Yeah, I got caught in a flush there. Um, Trading it at the highs, it was just absolutely horrible. I had no business trading it up there, honestly. No business trading it up so high. Um, so low accuracy, man. I 7 losing trades in a row. Unable to get a winning trade. I was mentally checked out. I hesitated on the right trades, and I'm basically chasing the highs. So I've got a lot to review today, and this puts us pretty red on the month. Well, no, I guess just 160. We had a good day on Monday, and I thought we were able to have an amazing week, but we taking some big losses and not respecting our rules. Max loss is 150 to 200, so I thought I'd be able to get some back, but I guess we got to respect our rules. We got to trade better. Anyway, we've been down this path before, and I think we can do it. I think we can do it. We just got to stick to the big size and just keep on doing it. It might be a red week, but next week might be better because we're sticking to the big size and we're shaking the nerves out, right? I know we can get a big move. I know we can get some big trades. You know, we're able to stay green month over month, right? So if we're able to stick with the same size, trade our rules, follow our patterns, then we can have an amazing month. Anyway, come over to Mr. Profit, create your account, try our free trading analysis tool, to look at our features, and join us for $5 a month or 50 a year. This is a great trading analysis tool, honestly. It's helped me a ton. It's helped me a ton become profitable. So I know we just on days like this, we got to take a look at we just got to take a look at where we've come from, right? We've come a long way. A long way of profitability, a long way of bigger winners and bigger losers, a long way from, you know, a lot of red days in a row. As you can see, 4 red days in a row, and still came out on top. So it's just another roadblock. The roadblock this time is going to be sizing up and making sure I'm not fearful, hesitant in taking the right trades and in holding the right setups. Anyway, see you guys tomorrow with more trading. Hopefully, we're able to shake this red day off.